Hello, teachers! I am June Maog. Welcome to Google Workspace Storage Management for Educators, a guide to staying organized and avoiding storage limits. It's important to manage and organize your Google Drive to avoid storage issues. Once you have reached your quota, you will be unable to create new files or upload to your drive. For this video, we will be talking about files that count toward storage, simple tips to keep your drive spacious, freeing up space with Google Takeout, and getting help from the Google Drive Help Center. Let's talk about files that count toward your Google Drive storage. Newly created Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drawings, Forms, or Jamboard files count toward storage. Files that already exist don't count toward storage unless they're modified on or after June 1, 2021. My Drive contains files and folders you upload or sync, such as PDFs, images, or videos. It also contains files that you create, such as Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, and others. All of these files take up storage. Even items in your trash take up space. If Drive is used for work or school, content in shared drives trash also counts toward your organization's storage. Let's talk about some simple tips to keep your drive spacious. Tip number 1. Use Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. These applications automatically save your work online, eliminating the need for multiple versions. Tip number 2. Store video files elsewhere. Consider using YouTube for storing your relevant and work-related videos. You have the option to make the videos private, unlisted, or public. Uploading your lesson videos, for example, to YouTube saves much storage space in your Google Drive. You do need to create a YouTube channel to upload videos. Tip number 3. Free up space with Google Takeout. Google Takeout lets you easily download and migrate a selection of your Google Photos and other files to a location of your choice. Let's talk about Google Takeout in more detail. To go to Google Takeout, you just open a new tab and type in takeout.google.com while signed in to your DepEd Google account. Locate Google Photos and check the box next to Google Photos. You may also select others based on the provided list. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Next Step. You can customize your download by choosing the file format, for example, JPEG or ZIP, and you can also choose the archive size, for example, 2 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes, etc. Then choose your download destination. Scroll to the bottom and click Create Export. Google will prepare your download. This might take some time depending on the amount of data you are exporting. Once complete, you will receive an email notification or instructions to access your downloaded files. And please remember this important note: downloaded photos from your Google Photos will not be deleted from Google Photos. After successfully transferring your chosen photos, you can then and should delete them from Google Photos to free up space in your account. If you need more help about anything, visit the Google Drive Help Center. To visit the Google Drive Help Center, just open a new tab and type in support.google.com/drive. By following the simple tips mentioned in this video, you can optimize your Google Drive experience, ensuring a smooth workflow and maximizing storage space. Remember, effective organization and regular cleanup are key to staying within storage limitations. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something about better managing your Google Drive storage. Bye!